Are you trying to figure out how to land well-paid and meaningful remote work as a freelancer? Maybe you're also flirting with the idea of traveling around the world while you do this freelance work. Well, hello, my name is Robert O'Crook, and I spent more than 3 years traveling around the world full-time and working remotely as a freelancer. I'm the founder of a 12,000 plus member community for remote workers and digital nomads called the Digital Nomads Forum. So this channel is dedicated to producing video content that helps you explore the topic of becoming a digital nomad or just working remotely as a freelancer. What I like to do a little bit differently than others is really just focusing on meaningful remote work. So that means things that you're personally passionate about and that positively impact the planet and other people. So the reason that I help people with becoming a remote worker, a freelancer, or digital nomad is because through living these lifestyles, I was able to adventure around the world and ultimately massively change my life for the better. And my hope is that other people can go on their own adventures empowered by the freedom and flexibility that remote work provides. So if you're serious about becoming a digital nomad, remote worker, freelancer, any of these things, and you care about how you do it and who you work with while you're doing it, then make sure you hit subscribe on my channel and stay tuned for content that's going to help you live an awesome life.